Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicking off my tinker morning. Chattanooga, Tennessee. Replace some hinges on this 245 Christopher's vehicle. I'm gonna use my trick with the shims. Open up the hood a little bit, close it down a little bit, slide the shims in there, open hood all the way up. They should free them and get this done. Coldest day probably in this year in Chattanooga. Got a little piece of wood in every other slot there. Lift it up, and as you can see, that spring is trying to come off. See if I can pull that off and go from there. I have these in almost every slot now, and it's loose enough where it pop right off. So let me go ahead and unclip this. Break these bolts loose. I got one there, two there. They look like they're 12 millimeter. And try to get this thing out of here and put the replacement on. This looks like the replacement. Looks like an IPD part. And this is going to be, looks like the passenger side, I guess. And the other one will be the driver's side. Yep, let me go ahead and get that bolted in place. In getting this spring off, the first thing I did was pulled up on this end, got it to unclip. Then I pulled that small thing out, maneuvered that out with those pliers, and then I picked the whole thing up, pivoted it outside, and unhooked the big one. Getting it back on, I did the reverse. Hooked the big one on, put the little one in, set the spring over here, which was really short. Then I just pushed down on the middle, and it stretched over there and hooked on. So now I'm going to lower the hood down, pull all these shims out with the pliers. It should be good to go. After you get the hinges in, you can loosen the bottom 2 bolts, slide it forward and back. You can loosen this bolt right here to raise the surface up and down. So I think we got all this adjustments made. Level on that side, pretty level on that side. You can just tinker with that back and forth. Now this hood was bent, so it's not going to be perfect, but you want it smooth in these corners so you don't catch and bind anywhere. So that's where we're at. You can float it around a little bit with the hinge bolt. Next stop, Kyle's 1990 240. And man, the lights and trim and badge and everything looks good on this car. Unfortunately, it has a ghost. Random stalling. Fires right back up. It's crazy. So we're going to replace the crank sensor and see if that helps it. And then probably he's going to have to either swap a ECU or start cleaning and chasing wires one at a time till it figures out where this problem is. But I was in the general area, stopped by, see if we could glance around and see anything going wrong. Cleaned off that main power fuse connector. Okay. We unplugged the crank sensor. We're going to replace it. The wire goes back behind that little harness all the way down back there. One 10 millimeter bolt, we believe, holds it in. So we're going to replace that. Maybe an intermittent crank sensor signal. There's a crank sensor there. It's causing that drop off. We did, like I said, clean that connection out real good. It was gummed up pretty bad. with the knowledge Christopher has to reach that thing, he got that thing replaced. Cleaned off the socket and everything, crank sensor. 1992 40, 15 minutes. It was, he didn't even curse. Got that thing done. So we're going to fire it up, take for a test drive, see if it sputters or stalls or anything, and maybe go have lunch. Hit the road. Christopher's moving to the Portland area.
Now we're getting a little smoke right here as well. What the world?
Wow. Sound like the starter's still running.
Think so?
Take a look at this V70. Man, I asked him for the wheels. He just ignored me like I didn't even say nothing. He's got some jewels on there. It's NA, and it's got the rear wing on it.
That's not stock.
Yeah, oh, I know it's not stock. Yeah, I know what's stock on these things.
Green.
Okay. So it sounds like his starter is staying engaged. So probably gonna pull the starter off and see if that, swapping the starter will help it. He drove it here like that, but man, it's kind of strange. So that would be my guess, because the fan wasn't running, and I don't think this air pump was running, making that kind of noise.
Yeah,
so
I've done the delete.
All right, so that air pump's unplugged. The power to it's unplugged.
Okay, no.
All right, let's unplug it and see, just to make sure. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.